everyone, welcome to TM channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Miyeokguk. Miyeokguk in Korean means seaweed soup. We have this one any meal, breakfast, lunch or dinner. Also many women have this one after they give birth. For 1 month after my daughter was born, I had a traditional helper live with us, and then it's called in Korea. It's called 산후조리사. And on her first day, she made a huge amount of miyeokguk, and then she served to me every meal every day. And she said it would help my blood get clean and make a lot of huge amount of breast milk. So I want to know more about the tradition. Miyeokguk originated north side of Korea and now it's part of China. And people saw the mommy whale after birth eating seaweed, and they thought it must do something good for the mommy whale, and they made tasty soup and served every woman who just birthed. Now we know it contains many good things, but the old people say be careful eating seaweed soup before you have important interview, important test, because it's slippery seaweed. You'll make your for success slip away. So okay, so let me show you ingredients. This is everything. I have here seaweed after 30 minutes in water, and see how much it expanded. And 12 grams dry seaweed before the water. This soy sauce, but it's for soup. Use soy sauce for soup. Salt and sesame oil and garlic. Here is baby clams, but I use for cooked baby clams. That way easy and fast. And you can see here, clam is cooked whole clam. I use this one. You can use this one too, and then it tastes also very good and easy. That's it. First I cut the green onion, chopped your green onion. So cut to the size of what you want, and I will chop fine. Prepare for next step. Next, cut seaweed. It also you can cut small or big. It depends on what size you want. In the Korean market, you can buy already cut into dry seaweed, but I like my seaweed chewy and like this big, so I bought the whole dry seaweed. Turn on the high heat. And put in your oil in the pan. When it oil little get hot, and then put everything you chopped green onion. Stir a little bit, and then make a green onion oil flavor, I don't know, and put into seaweed. Put in half of garlic and stir after maybe 1 minute. And this time we can put your soy sauce. Maybe you can already smell some very delicious yummy smell. And put in 3 cups of water. It also, if you like drink soup, you can put more, but don't put too much. And we're boiling 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we put into our baby clam. So here, turn down the heat medium and cook 10 minutes more. Soup beginning to smell very good. Oh, I think it's very delicious. It will be very delicious. Now, add the rest of the garlic and mix it well. And taste it. If it's not salt enough, you can put a little bit more salt. But don't put too much, or else it will be bad for your health. That's it, we all done. Now put into bowl, let's try it. 짜잔! Seaweed soup. Here is seaweed soup, my seaweed soup. So I'm going to try it, and it's unfortunately you can't taste it. This is dinner time now. I'm hungry a little bit. I'm hungry. Wow. Tastes really good. And then this is side dish. Usually Korean have a meal with soup and rice, and some of 1, 2. I have today 3 side dish. So first one is small fish. I don't know what is English called exactly. I will check it later. And then second one is kimchi. You might be heard many times, right? Kimchi. This is I made it maybe 1 month ago. And then this is peanut. Everything really delicious. In Korea, usually also people after drink a lot, and then they drink this soup, seaweed soup, for hangover. You wanna try a little bit? My husband was doing it, but he don't wanna show him on the camera. It's okay. So I'm going to continue eating my dish. Today, that's it. Bye bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.